Welcome to my channel Sunshine Classics. My name is Ralph and I want to invite you on a world trip to automotive history. Have fun. So this time I want to take you to one of my, well, let's say most favorite junkyards I've found. It's somewhere in Arkansas in the US, and the video is from the fall of 2024. I've known this place since 2010. And the story behind it, it was founded in the early 60s. It's been out of business for many, many years now, and the owner is in his 90s and he just wants to keep it a secret place so that not too many people just come there. So here we got a 1957 Plymouth Savoy, which is kind of a brother of Christine, the movie. It was a Fury, a 58 Fury. So this one here is 1 year earlier. So this is a 59 Rambler Cross Country station wagon. It's a pretty rare car. And actually it hasn't changed in the last 10 years. Like I told you, I've known these cars for years now. And some of you might remember these cars because I got some small videos or shorts on my channel in the summertime, so it's just a different atmosphere. You can check it out. So here we got a Plymouth. This one is a Dodge. So here's the Ford section. So this should be in 1950 probably. Another Ford. The shoebox. So this is part 1 of this place. There'll be a part 2. So just check it out. I don't know when, but in a couple of weeks it should be on YouTube. And as I said, there are also some shorts from this place. So if you look at my channel, you will find a lot of stuff from the 50s, the 60s, junkyard stuff and everything. So what we got here on the left side is a 1960 Ford. So we're moving to the Pontiacs. So this one is around 1950. So if you like this video, just watch out for part 2 and leave a like or even a subscription. Thank you very much.